Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix login error in WeChat. So first of all, as you can see right here, we downloaded the WeChat, and once you go ahead and log in with your account, you're gonna see or notice that while you are logging in, there is some kind of issue, right? So in order to fix that, go back to your screen, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the settings gear right here, and in the main settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the general and go ahead to the iPhone storage. So if you are using iPhone storage, if you are using iPhone, just go ahead to the iPhone storage. If you are using Android, you're gonna just go ahead to your settings, and you're gonna go ahead to the app, which is the WeChat and app info. So scroll a little bit down right here until you find the WeChat, click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just upload the app, and uploading the app will release some of the unnecessary data. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.